This is not huge, but it was really fun to put together. So I went to a little Mexican restaurant with my mother, one we'd never been to, in a town we usually go do our grocery shopping in. And as we were coming out, across the street there was a little shop with an open sign, but no name, no anything. And I said, "What is that?" She said, "I don't know, let's go look." We drove over there, and it was a tiny little thrift shop for charity for a women's shelter. So we went in, we dropped some money. I gave some donations that I had in the Jeep. I was going to drop off at my usual donation place, but I went ahead and dropped it off there. So let's see what I got at that first thrift shop. The first thing, and what I'm probably the most excited about, is wallpaper. 7 rolls, and each roll is 56 square feet, and these are brand new, still with the cellophane on it. The pattern is this gorgeous, like, yellow and blue dahlias with leaves on a white background. If this doesn't scream cottagecore, I don't know what does. These were $2 a roll. So I've got like 7 rolls. I think this is more than enough to wallpaper a room in my house because I have pretty small rooms. So what I'm torn is, do I do my bedroom or do I do the living room? I'm thinking my bedroom, although I have wallpaper in my bedroom, it's just on one wall as an accent wall. But this would look so pretty. I think I may do my bedroom in this. Next was something for my office, and this came from the same thrift shop, and it was $5. I got this little retro looking desk lamp. I don't think this one's an antique. I'm sure it's a reproduction, but isn't that cute? It looks so old style. So I'm going to take this to work and put it on my desk. I've been wanting a desk lamp for my desk at work, and this is perfect. So $5. And then for $3, I got this little hummingbird lamp. It's got a glass flower, and then this little like resin hummingbird at the bottom. Isn't that pretty? This is going into my bedroom. I have quite a few pink accents in my bedroom, so this is going into my bedroom on top of my jewelry box to act as a little nightlight. So pretty. I paid $3 for that. Okay, then I went to the local flea market where I always find the most gorgeous vintage rustic things that go perfectly with my aesthetic. So the first thing I picked up was this strawberry print. I'm going to put that in my kitchen, so keep an eye out when I do a cooking video or something like that for the strawberry print. I thought it was so sweet and pretty. Tiny little frame, which will work well with my little house. I love her. And then next was something I was really excited to find, was this stoneware pitcher. I paid $20 for this. It's in wonderful condition. I don't serve food or beverages out of these. They're really just decor. But how pretty and rustic. I love that. I've got a couple that my mother gave me, but this one's by far the largest one I have. I love it. Okay. And then last but not least was a love seat size sofa cover that's also going to my office, but it's in this really pretty quilted pattern. Now, it's not per se quilted. I guess it is quilted, but it's like machine quilted. It's not handmade or anything. I'm going to wash this up and put it on the little couch in my office at work. Give it that homespun rustic vibe that I love so much. Small little antique haul, thrift shop haul. I think altogether I've spent $35 on all of this. So really happy about all that, and I can't wait to add it to my house. After all that gardening, I am sweaty, dirty, and worn out. So I just wanted to say it was so good to touch base with you guys, to check in. Until we speak again, friends, goodbye.